have a dream that one day every valley shall be exalted. Every hill and mountain shall be made low, the rough places will be made plain, and the crooked places will be made straight, and the glory of the Lord shall be revealed.
Martin Luther King 2014 celebration, The Dream, Remember, Celebrate, and Act. On Monday, January 20th at 12 noon at New Grafton Baptist Church. Pastor Mark Hambrick of Parkview Church of God will be the guest speaker. Also featuring the College of William and Mary Women's Choir and the Oasis Life Worship Dancers of Oasis of Life Christian Church. For more information, please call 757-245-2209. New Grafton Baptist Church is located at 4401 Chestnut Avenue, Newport News, Virginia 23607. Martin Luther King Celebration, The Dream. Remember, Celebrate, and Act.
Be able to sing with new meaning, my country tears of thee. Sweet land of liberty.